What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Overture's matte PLA in matte yellow. So, big fan of Overture, particularly their new boxes where they do not have the sticker on the seal. This comes with some instructions, as well as obviously the filament filament itself, along with the cardboard spool, cardboard box. Always good to see. Makes things a little bit easier to break down over time. Anyway, these come in these nice little bags with the little hold tabs that makes it a little bit easier to open. So we're going to get that situated. One of the things I wasn't a huge fan of is that in this one there was some curvature on the spool itself, I believe, in which case we're going to get that buffed out. But overall, say good. We're going to get this dried and the bench fee. And if you're new here, we always start out by printing a bench fee in generic filament settings from Bamboo Studio, in this case generic PLA. So we're going to get that sliced up, and that should take about 45 minutes or so. And we're going to send that over to the printer along with all the other test prints. And here they are. So, this is pretty standard. We got the generic benchy here. Basically, a little bit of stringing, no real other major issues. Overture's been pretty good. I do love the feel of this one because it has a nice kind of rougher feel from the plastic itself and the matte aspect of it. But yeah, so next up we printed the dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed, printed in spiral Voss mode. No real major issues there. Maybe a touch of lifting on the corner there, but overall I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the temperature tower. So basically this helps us determine what temperature we should be printing at. For this one, best case scenario is probably about 220 Celsius. Very little stringing and no real globbing on the spike there for the temperature tower. So that is good to see as we go forward. Next up, we had the retraction test. And the retraction test did have a touch of stringing, as you can see there. But overall, probably something we can work on to rectify in the filament settings. Max volumetric speed test. This one performed absolutely great at 20 millimeters per second cubed. No real issues with anything there. Those, lost lines or anything like that. Overhang test. Overhang test also performed very well. There was a little bit of loss of detail on the backside, so just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at doing some finer detail work. But overall, I'd say pretty good. Again, I would highly recommend enabling supports as you get to the higher degrees there. Anyway, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. Overall, pretty good, no real issues. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $20. Link is obviously in the description down below, along with anything that I've changed to get the filament to be dialed in. So my overall thoughts for Overture's matte PLA and matte yellow, I think it's pretty good. Price is relatively good for PLA. A little bit on the pricier side, but still, if you're looking for this filament, color is always good. Anyway, that's been Overture's matte PLA and matte yellow. I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe if you're into this type of content. It really does help the channel. I'm relatively new at this, so I really do appreciate it. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks!